Hello! Today we're going to learn some sounds of Brazilian Portuguese. Here we have consonants with the vowel sounds. So, here on the left, I'm going to use words in English in order to make it easier for you to understand the sounds of Brazilian Portuguese. I'm only give examples with the consonants. I'm not going to use all the consonants since some of the consonants are not naturally used by natives. Of course, we have some words, but those words are from other languages and it's rare to use them. So I'm going to use the consonants that really matter to us. So let's begin here with the letter B. B has the same sound as in English as the word big. B, b, b. So here, the vowel sounds, if you don't know the sounds, we say A, E, I, O, U, and here we have O, which is a combination. A with O. It will always have this symbol. B plus A, we say ba, ba, ba. Be, be, be. B, B, B. Bo, bo, bo. Bu, bu, bu. Bom, bom, bom. The letter C, and C in Portuguese has two sounds. Sometimes it'll sound like K as in kick, or S as the word sad. So K or S. Ka, ka, ka. Se, se. Si, si, si. Ko, ko, ko. Cu, cu, cu. Cão, cão, cão. As you can see with the letters E and I, C sounds like S. The letter D, D, as in dime, d, d, or J as in joy, joy, j, j. Da, da, da. De, de, de. G, G, G. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Dão, dão, dão. The letter D is similar to the letter T. As you can see, D plus I has the sound as J as in the word joy, j, j. F, face, same as in English. Fa, fa, fa. Fe, fe, fé, fi, 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 fó, 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 fu, 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 fão, fão, fão. G, G, as in the word gap, g, g, or beige, j, j. Ga, ga, ga. Gé, gé, gé. Gi, gi, gi. Gó, gó, gó. Gu, gu, gu. Gão, gão, gão. With the letters E and I, it sounds like j, j, as in the word beige. J, J, as in the word beige, j, j. Já, já, já. Jé, jé, jé. Gi, gi, gi. Jó, jó, jó. Ju, ju, ju. Jão, jão, jão. As you can see, J and G sound the same as here with the letter J. J, G. L, L, as in the word lime. L, l, l. La, la, la. In Portuguese, the L is softer. Le, le, le. Li, li, li. Lo, lo, lo. Lu, lu, lu. Lão, lão, lão. M, as in the word my. M, m, m. Ma, ma, ma. Me, me, me. Mi, mi, mi. Mo, mo, mo. Mu, mu, mu. Mão, mão, mão. N, as in the word no. N, 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 n. Na, na, na. Ne, ne, ne. Ni, ni, ni. No, no, no. Nu, nu, nu. Não, não, não. P, as in the word pan. P, P, as in the word pan. P, p. Pa, pa, pa. Pé, pé, pé. Pi, pi, pi. Pó, pó, pó. Pu, pu, pu. Pão, pão, pão. R, as in the word happy. So the R in Portuguese has the same sound as the letter 8 in the word happy. Ha, ha, ha. He, he, he. He, ho, ho, ho. Hu, hu, home, home, home. S as in the word sad. S, s. Sa, sa, sa. Se, se, se. Si, si, si. So, so, so. Su, su, su. São, são, são. T. In this case, I didn't found a word in English, except with the combination between T and I, which is similar to the word time, t, t. The rest is different. It's like pronouncing the D letter, but with a harsh sound. Ta, 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 te, 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 chi, 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 to, 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 tu, 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 tão, tão, tão. V, the same as in English, as the word voice. V, v. Va, va, va. Ve, ve, ve. Vi, vi, vi. Vó, vó, vó. Vu, vu, vu. Vão, vão, vão. X, as in the word ship. Sh, sh, sh. Sha, sha, sha. She, she, she. She, she, she. Shaw, shaw, shaw. Shu, shu, shu. Chão, chão, chão. Z, as in the letter zebra. Z. It is like a mosquito. Z. Za, za, za. Ze, ze, ze. Z, z, z. Zó, zó, zó. Zu, zu, zu. Zão, zão, zão.